When God gives you your prayer, that is God's direction. But when God do not give you what you pray for, that is God's protection. Tandaan po natin na minsan, pag hindi agad binibigay ng Diyos sa atin, hindi ibig sabihin na hindi na. Minsan, tayo ay pinapahintay lang ng Diyos dahil may mas mabuti at mas magandang darating. And remember, the best things in life takes time.